Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to give your videos a different background? CapCut's background changer tool makes it easy to transform your footage. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to change your video background on your mobile device using the popular editing app, CapCut. Let's go! To change the video background in CapCut on your mobile, start by opening the app and creating a new project. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery, which will then appear on the editing timeline. Tap on the video in the timeline. Scroll through the options to find Remove Background and select Chroma Key. If your video has a solid background, like a green screen, you can use this feature. Use the color picker to choose the background color you want to remove and adjust to refine the effect. For videos without a solid background, you can use Custom Removal. Here you can manually select the exact areas you want to keep or remove, ensuring a clean and accurate background removal. After removing the background, remove the ending. And now add a new background by adding a new clip. Click the original video again and find Overlay below from the options. Tap on it and adjust the original video to place the subject where you want it on the new background. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, preview the video to ensure everything is aligned. Finally, choose your desired resolution and frame rate. Then export the video by tapping the export button and saving the edited video. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.